Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. Have your AirPod listings ever been taken down and removed by eBay's bots? Well, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to keep your listings up and start consistently making sales, even against eBay's AI checks. Make sure you stick around to the end for the exact blueprint. Let's get into the video. First things first, you want to make sure your product quality sets the foundation of your listings. Only list high quality one-of-one AirPods. If your one-on-ones aren't high quality, it can lead to the buyer complaints, or even worse, have your eBay account banned. So to avoid this issue, make sure you're getting them from valid vetted suppliers. If you don't know where you can get one, get in contact with me and we can get you in contact with the private vendor networks that I personally use. But enough of that. Let's get into what a high quality one-of-one AirPods looks like. So now let's show you. It's got the initial packaging. It's got the little manual. They got everything you need in the manual. And then, like, this is my personal pair. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Obviously, they come with the charger and everything. These are the actual AirPods right here. Very, very high quality. Very durable. They got the serial at the bottom. Like, you can't even tell the difference between the real ones. Even the sound quality, it's very insane. Battery life on these, I want to say, is roughly 8-9 hours on a full charge. Plus, you still have the case that they charge in. And then it also comes with the USB-C cable right here. And then you also got your ear tips that you can change out depending on your ear sizes. And obviously, you got your box. And then you also got the serial in the box as well. So without further ado, let's get into building the actual listing on eBay, the part that most people get stuck on. So first things you want to do is go ahead and search AirPod Pro Gen, second generation, or whatever AirPod you're going to use. And right off the bat, I see this listing. You do not want to do this at all. This guy is showing everything. This is so obvious. eBay's AI is going to see this and instantly take your listing down. He might be up for a while, but there will definitely be taking his listing down, 100%. This is proof of how you want to actually do your product images. Show this, and then show just the box. Don't show any logos, serial numbers. And he's also showing everything like connecting to the actual iPhone. That's what you want to do. Pod Pro 2 with charging case, like you're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and just copy and paste it. And it's gonna ask you to search it. Go ahead and search it, right? And right off the bat, it's gonna give you a bunch that you should click. You wanna make sure you click continue without match. This is crucial. And then it's going to ask you the condition of your item. Never ever put new. This is going to automatically flag your listing and it will be taken down. The two options you should use are either open box or used. Even though they're sealed, make sure you choose one of these options. I personally choose open box. And you want to click continue. All right, now that we're here in item specifics, you want to go ahead for brand. You're able to put Apple, okay? And as far as the type, you know, it's normal earbuds or canal earbuds, whatever you want to put. You could just put earbuds. And then for model, obviously it's the second generation. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB-C, and then color is obviously white. And it obviously has wireless charging, Bluetooth. This boils down to your unit quantity, so it depends on how many you have on hand. This is just the weight of it. And charger included, you want to make sure you put yes. Well, that should be it for the item specifics. Make sure you also leave the UPC and MPN blank if you're unsure. Sometimes overfilling it can confuse the bots and it may flag your listing. So really only add what's relevant, such as like what I had told you feature-wise. Really and truly, like I showed you, keep it simple on the photos. Never use stock images. Always take your own images. And don't show the logo. Don't show the serial numbers. You could show the top of the box because it's not an actual logo, but just to be safe, I would just show the AirPods sitting inside the box and the charger. Now for the description, keep it simple. You want to just say that they're just whatever you do, you could pretty much put anything besides not mentioning that they're reps or one of ones. You want to just say, you could either say sealed in box, shipped same day, or you bought a pair for a family member, or you recently got a gift for Christmas. You know, something along the lines. Just be creative. We have AI at our fingertips. Now, obviously, at this point, you want to make sure you price it fair. You can always go to AirPod Pro 2s like this, scroll all the way down, and find sold items. And you can just go ahead and check and see what the recent items sold for, and you can gauge your pricing upon what the recent items been sold for. Want access to the verified vendors that I personally use, safe product images? Make sure you join my Discord by clicking the link in my bio. And you can also visit my website, and I have a bunch of vendors that are priced fairly at your fingertips. If you have any questions, go ahead and join the Discord. Feel free to ask. eBay listing guide, and I'll go ahead and send you the exact guide I used to list my AirPods on eBay without them being taken down. That template will be in my Discord server, so go ahead and join if you just want to get access to it instantly. But make sure you comment vendor, and I'll go ahead and get you situated. If this guide helped you, keep your listings. Smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly reseller tips, and drop your stories or questions in the comments below. Make sure to check the description for links to templates and my website for access to my personal private vendors and more side hustle advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.